Blue corridor there for school workouts. Hands-on training there for our homes.
Carpentry, tailoring, mechanics, undermine, catering, construction, plumbing, academic failures all in the people schools.
Practical schools were underrated. Everyone was looking on the other side of professional jobs, leaving hands-on training behind.
Institutions around, new revised curriculum emphasizing it. Individuals are getting richer. Places are getting developer. Home renovated by builders, not forgetting the plumbers. Hotel and home interior by carpenters. Hands-on is the new backbone.
What will you tell your grandchildren if you fail to change today? Why do you look for a job with hands-on skills? Hands-on and also professional jobs. One is enough for your wives.
Usisubiri kesho, yajayo ni leo. Utawaambia nini wajukuu wako ukishindwa kubadilika leo? Kwa nini unatafuta kazi yenye ujuzi? Mikono juu, pia kuwa kazi za kitaaluma. Neno moja la tosha kwa mwenye hekima.
Mata sensaba. Maisha taki tenare. Suni takita kana mne wanzukutaki. Kangele tafigerunare. Leita kigusi kazi. Logecha ni kazi fiida taki. Kazi teida kamanu wai. Minkidi mategudra. Kalamu wai. Gitim. Na zola negi.
One man is enough for a wise. Deep gets Ngambuni.